everyone and welcome to day 9. I'm going to start my timer and let's go. What we're going to do today is I want to add more form to the sun, so shape it up a bit, and I want to brighten up this area here, and if we have time we can start with the birds. So don't know if you can see, but I've added in a few little birds and I want to add them in here as well. So what I want to start with is basically brightening up this area here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bigger brush and I'm basically just going to take some white paint that's very watered down. So white paint that's very watered down, and I'm just going to start going over this area to brighten it up a bit. Just kind of going across in my painting, making sure my paint is nice and watery so that it blends nicely across. And if you want to blend it in, you can always use this paintbrush. And nicely. I'm going to get a bit more of my white paint, nice and watery. And I'm just going to keep going, blending it in, just making sure that the area above the sun is nice and bright. Just going to blend it down slightly here. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rework this area here. So again, going in with my orangey colors. Making sure my brush or my paint is nice and watery, so everything is kind of blending in together. There's no real correct or perfect way to do this, so you can kind of just, again, same as the water, just mess around with the different colors and try different techniques. Because the more experimentation that you do in painting, the more that you learn. So don't worry about messing anything up or anything turning out badly. I'm going to add a little bit more white here to the sun and then bring it up into that area. Okay, I probably could at this point add a bit more definition to the sun, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the birds and then see how I'm liking the composition. Step back for a minute and take a look and see if I'm happy with it or if I want to change it up a bit. So I think we'll leave it here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to start painting in the birds.